What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overspray. In today's video, we received a package all the way from the UK. All right, so first and foremost, thank you to a subscriber of mine from the UK. He sent this out to me. Now, I know what is inside, but you guys don't. But I did want to do an open box so I can show you guys what's in the box. So let's go ahead and open it. Bubble wrap. And let's take out all the merchandise in here. Oh, this is a lot of stuff. Now, I am gonna keep the subscriber anonymous as he asked. But you know who you are. Thank you so much for sending me all this stuff. So let's go ahead and take everything out of the package and let's see what we got. All right, it's like Christmas came early. Christmas in July. Nice FLG. All right, so let's see if there's one more in here. Alrighty guys, so this is what I received from the UK. So obviously we have needles, air caps, tips, other tips here, and then we got some, it looks like some packing seals here. And then we also have a D-cups adapter, and we also have what looks to be a PPS 3M adapter as well. And obviously we have all the guns right here. So the main ones that I really want to use are the compact and the FLG5. These are gonna be the main ones. The other ones, I'm still gonna clean them up. This one looks like it's still in pretty good shape. This one looks like it's seen better days. Obviously this one is missing a couple parts as well, but that's okay, because we're gonna take our time and clean these all up and get them functioning again. And like I said, these two are gonna be some of the ones that I'm gonna clean up first, and then I will slowly and surely bring these guys into the mix as well. But that's just gonna take a little bit more time. But like I said, I'm really interested in getting this FLG5 back and running again. Back into its glory days. So we'll see how this guy performs. We're gonna be putting some of these older guns to the test and see how well they perform. But first, obviously, we're gonna have to give it a nice little clean. This is Naked Gun Spray Gun Paint Remover by Clean Strip, and this is supposed to help with cleaning basically old paint off of your spray guns. So we're gonna give this thing a shot in a future video, see how well it does. But for now, that's all I got for you guys. So hopefully you guys liked that small video. I am using a different camera. Let me know how the quality is. And if you guys like it, then we will continue with this camera. If not, then we will just bounce back to the old camera because, well, this is actually my phone. So boys, that is it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little clip. And as always, stay spraying.